Now I'll do my eyebrows. I'll just do them quick, and I'll just be using this eyebrow filler. Our eyelids are already primed. We have cover up and concealer on them. Typically, I think when you're going to go in and you're going to use pressed pigments, it is okay if you don't have a lid primer. We're going to try it without. Not everyone has one. I don't. I searched for one yesterday and today, and I didn't find a decent enough one that I wanted to shell out some hard-earned doll hairs for. So, and now we just kind of have to go in and see which colors we're going to use. So as you can see, this is not the James Charles Morphe palette, but come on honey, for this price, it was I think half the price, not even with the Black Friday sale, and the colors look insane. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get our brushes here, guys. So in this palette, you can see that there are not only just matte colors, there are also some glittery kind of shades going on, which is kind of fun. So you have like these insane greens, yellows, vibrant pinks, purples. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of excited. What do we do? We're gonna start with this yellow color. We'll see how this goes in the eye. It's not looking too pigmented. So it's not showing up so well. I'm gonna take my Catrice fixing spray. Just going to wet. And then we're gonna go in again. And take this yellow and put it sort of in the middle in the crease. Now it's looking a bit more pigmented. Kind of leave that in the middle. There we go. Now we're seeing some yellow. Now I will take this cool, crazy lime green. Let's put the green then in the corners. That's not bad, huh? That's without me wetting the brush. Take a fluffy blending brush and kind of melt the green and the yellow together. So next I'm going to go in with this really, really bright orange. Oh my god. That's intense. And I'm just packing that on. Whoa. That is effing intense. In camera right now, all I can see is just the orange and a little bit of the other colors. Oh. Definitely some fallout going on there. And I didn't wet the brush, so I think that's pretty cool. Hi. We're gonna go in again with another bright, lovely color. Again, there's like a ton of fallout. Like, that's a lot of fallout, but at the same time, the colors are super pigmented. Like, that is intense. That is so intense. I'm just like really putting that in where my crease is. And I didn't even cut my crease. Like, I didn't put so much product down here, but girl, look at that color. So I'm going to take this cute little brush here and I'm going to go in. Once again, I'm living and dying for all these insanely pigmented bright neon colors. So we will be using this gorgeous pink. Coming out of the eye here. So I definitely think some of these colors are buildable. Maybe they're meant to be more pigmented, I'm not sure, or it's just spraying the brush helps. So go in again and then I'll try that color again. Whoa, this is looking cool. So I'm definitely gonna go in with the light green again and just intensify in the inner corners a little bit. I'm feeling gorgeous. So I haven't used every color. I also, yeah, oh, there are shimmer like highlight colors here. Oh god, let's use some. So let's go in with this white champagne-y shimmery color. A bit here. Let's see if that works as a highlighter. Oh god, I'm waiting for my Jeffree Star highlighter to arrive. Thank you so much, sister from Canada. No, my real sister, not just a sister. She's sending me that. Should be here any day now. But for now, then we'll go in again with the Catrice 2 drops. Need more highlights. Go in with some eyeliner. I have this, god, where is this from? Kiko Makeup Milano. Maybe I got this when I was in Italy, and it is a precision eyeliner. Not too sure, I totally forget. I've had it for a while and it's pretty cute. You've got hooded eyes, you gotta make sure that shit dries or it's everywhere. I will just finish off in my other eye and I will throw on some lashes and I will be right back. My eyelashes are all done. Hi! I did actually buy the new Kiss Magnetic lashes and I wanted to try those out today, but just with this look I thought, okay, we have to use the big beautiful Gala Kiss lashes. So we have those on today. So this look I thought then you can go in the waterline with some white. One thing that we definitely can't forget to do is to highlight our inner corners and our brow bone here under the eyebrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna obviously go in with Makeup Revolution London Soph X. I say Sophie all the time, but like it's Soph X. Why? Because it's British. Take a tiny brush and go in again with the champagne color that I love, and I pretty much am always using now in the corners of my eyes and under the eyebrow. Girl, you have to wet this brush today. And we'll just put some more highlight, because why the fuck not? I am so freaking obsessed with this color. I swear to god, if they made this as a highlighter, I would buy 20, 40, 50 packs, give them to my friends, and I would have them for 100 years. Because this, look at this. This is on top of the other highlighter, yeah I know, but like, oh, that's looking nice. And last but not least, our lips. I'm going in with Astra's Matte Style Lip Lacquer, Lacquer. Sometimes I like to line my lips, but I feel like today we don't need that. So, now we finished everything off with the Catrice Fine and Prime Multitasking Fixing Spray. Sometimes I like to go in with a teensy bit of powder on my brush and just make sure that everything's set. So guys, what do you think? Now, my makeup table, it's hella messy, but I think today I've really accomplished something pretty cool, colorful, and yeah, hopefully you guys can recreate something like this, just have fun, kind of go with the colors that you like. I'm all for rainbows, I'm all for crazy colors. You know me last time with my blue and orange, that was pretty out there, but if you can pull it off, and if you feel good and if you like what you are doing and what you look like, then who gives a flying rat's ass what anyone else thinks. I think I'm ready to go out now. So my last thoughts on these palettes that I've bought from BH Cosmetics. So first we will start off with the Professional Blush 10 color palette set. I like it. You know, I only use 2 colors, but there's enough there that you can use for your contour, and then kind of for every season, whatever you're feeling like, you know. The formula seems to work pretty well. And very pigmented. And for the price, I think it's great. I'd have to try the rest of them and see how it lasts, you know, over a few hours. But so far, I'm thinking it's pretty great. Then we have the 35 color pressed pigment palette to take me back to Brazil. Now, I really wasn't sure. It's originally, I think, 25 euros. You can also buy this in the States and I think in Canada too, I'm not too sure. But for the amount of colors that you get, and they're all pressed pigments, I'd say the ones I used worked. Some like the green went on easier without a spray, but if you have to use a little bit of fixing spray in order to make something work a little better, then why not? I would recommend buying it. The palette's not too much, 20 or 25 euros, and it's making me feel pretty damn summery. Here's also the Fungi Photo Cosmetic from Italy, and I'd have to say I feel like it's doing something. Definitely just whatever I've done today, it seems like everything is sitting a lot better on my skin. I find a lot of times you can see my pores, or you can see my wrinkles. I really feel like my makeup is pretty damn flawless today. So new brushes, new concealer, new powder, new blushes, new contour, new eyeshadow, new lashes. Yeah. A new me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm glad that you guys like my videos. Let's know that you can watch and view and like below. Don't forget to comment, share, do whatever the heck you friggin' want to. Don't forget to subscribe below, and make sure that you check me out also on Instagram, where I'll be posting some pretty sick photos, short little videos, and pretty much everything and anything else that seems interesting. Bye guys, see you next time.